Welcome back, guys, for another weekly GU analysis. So currently, right now, I'm on the weekly time frame, and this is my projection. This is what I'm expecting for GU to do for this whole year, or for the next couple months, 3 months. So I'm looking for a bearish move on GU right now, based on our weekly time frame. So like I've been saying on my last couple videos, this area where Geo is right now, it looking like a resistance level, and also it aligned with a 61.8% on fib level, and price is also at a monthly key level based on my monthly key level right here. This is my chart for key levels, weeklies and monthlies, right? And last time GU break structure on the weekly, it was around July last year. So now it's looking like it's doing a retest. So we are looking for a breakup structure on lower time frame, like daily, H4 and H1, right? So our daily time frame right now, it's looking like a head and shoulder pattern, right? So what we're looking at right now is for a break of structure on lower time frame, like the H1 time frame, in order for us to take our sell opportunity. So if and when that happen, this will be our TP area, 2500, 1.2500. That will be the price point we'll be looking for TP at, if and when it does happen. So this is what I'm looking at on the daily time frame right now. Daily time frame, it's giving me that head and shoulder pattern right now. Waiting for that candle to close to confirm the other head. Other shoulder. Now on H4 time frame, right? So H4 also showing a resistance level in this particular area right here. Right, this whole area right here been looking like resistance, right? They tested one time, two, three, four, five, six time it touched that area and it rejected. So this is a good indication that this is a strong resistance. So now the only thing we need is a break of structure now, right? So break of structure on H1 will be a good place for us to start. So right now, next place we're looking for that break of structure is this support level right here. We need this support level to break. Need a break of structure right here and a retest. So we could take our sell entry, right? So until this happen, we're not doing anything. But yeah. So this is basically what I'm looking for on GU. We're waiting for a break of structure in order for us to take our sell opportunity. Also on M15, if we go lower time frame, if and when this higher low right here breaks, we could also take our first opportunity for sell. This one right here that I drew on, that was based on the H1 time frame. And when that does happen, also we are looking for our second sell entry. So this is it for this video. Didn't want to make it too long, but like I said, I'm expecting some bearish move on GU for the next 3 months. So good luck, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.